Hi guys! So we are here at Oslog. Hi po kayo sa vlog. Hi! Hi vlog. Atem! Hi vlog! Hi vlog!
Ano yun? Ka ba?
Slide. Paano pag nalaglag kami dito? Sige nga, laglag kita para maging tanga ka.
Pagkapangit ako dito. Pangit yun eh. Yung dual video.
Pangit yun, para kang magka-video call.
Maganda yun kapag
Hello guys.
naka-dual video.
Pangit nga yun, para kang naka-video call.
Kita ko naman na nasa dagat ka sa ano. Wala mo ng araw. Tara na kasi.
Oo,
Dapat
kaya nga hindi, advisable na mag-rent ka pa ng film. Mabilisan lang siya. Sarili ka mundo. Vlog natin. Hi, vlog. Again and again and again. Hi guys.
Wala gusto kong mag-camera. Hey!
Malaglag ko yung cellphone. Oh, malaglag ko. Kayo. Annyeong. Ni hao. Naging sila instant. Kita mga bata. Sana maging bata na lang kayo. Nakita mga bata. Mga ilang meters pwede to ilog. Yung cellphone naman, pwedeng ilog-log kasi ayoko lang. Hindi ko kaya. Ang laki niya. Girl, laki. Hindi ko kaya. Wala, hindi. Tara na. Dali na. Bawal ka kumain. Lubugi daw. Try mo ganun. Dito hanggang lang. Naka-ano. Uy, ba kayo? Hindi yan.
Baro na ka.
Tangina, walang kita. Hindi yan kita. Try mo, try mo, try mo. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun, oh. Laki niya. Alam, pinapakain ka lang. Pili na lang sa braso pa. Wala, ang laki niya. Makakain sa buto-buto. Lalaruin sila. Tapos sila...
Wow, Diyos pa! Bisa pa! Go!
Ano, gagi mo? Napasok ko tuwis.
Dito na katabi ko.
Uy, kuya! Iba!
Sunod! Sunod!
Ayoko na lang! Putang ina ko yan!
Ano po?
Oh, kung kakakita tayo. Pwede nga mo ng 0.5 sa harap. Pwede nga naman pala. baka zero erase sa atin. Kinalat natin.
Ano rating mo sa amin ngayon? Gusto ko live rating.
Na pressure siguro. Dito na kasi na-rate kung ano din yung i-rate natin. True. So, hello guys. Babalik ulit kami. Inarkilan natin yung tour. Exclusive for us. Mas maganda yung 0.5 kanina, no? Tabi-tabi po. Ganda. Talon ka natin. Ay. Ako magsa-story na ito.
Okay, ready. Sapa! Sapa! Woo! Natabunan yung kamera! Yan na go!
Wait lang, dyan lang kayo. Asa.
Oh, di bumalik ako.
Balik kayo doon. Balik. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait. Balik ka, ma'am. Balik, hindi na video. Wala na.
Naka-zoom in pa nga eh. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Ha!
Pwede tayo mag-before and after dyan eh, no? Sama daw sila kuya. Guys, may bago.
May nagmamawi na mo.
Hi vlog. So welcome to my vlog. So nandito po kami sa Simala Church. Kakatapos lang po namin mag-pray. So as you can see. So, edit out. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again. Look how big the church is. It's so big. Don't say. Welcome to my vlog. It's a third time. It's the third. Okay. I'll try my best. You know what I mean? This is what I mean. I'm so hungry. What should we eat? Can we go back to the days? Oh, there's a nature spring over there. Let's go. Let's buy. I think it's expensive.
We have lots of water sa car.
Ay.
We're going to need water.
You said there's a lot of water.
But it's hot already.
Okay. How much is that? Oh, it's 50. Shop.
Oh, 20 only.
Oh, let's go. Can I let's try this sparkling
No,
water.
I don't want sparkling water. I want this one.
pa ba yan?
Of course.
1,000 to.
No. Hi guys. Welcome to
Her vlog.
Video's vlog.
Para magmura.
So as you can see, we are here at Simala's Church. Yeah, nasusubo kami. Dumayo kami dito for this. Just to pray because we're
Holy
so
week.
good.
May ano, pwede mag-live doon.
Hindi mo naman nagbablog ako.
Sorry po.
I hope each one of us
Became holy this week. Because it's holy week. Holy shit.
don't upload this. Just cut it.
Wait guys, to be honest, I'm curious. Why the castle is so big but the church is small? Why? Please comment down below. Diba?
Guys,
Kasi naman nakapunta ng here. I'm just curious. I'm not bashing anyone
listen
here.
to her.
No,
She's just being bitter.
just subscribe.
Look, it's nice.
Oh, yeah.
We were
Wait,
just
wait,
there
wait,
kanina.
Oh, look how big it is, right?
But the church is small.
Yeah, I'm just curious why. Just explain it to us. So our mind became clear.
Viewers
And your look at the hallway. The hallway is giving hall. Wait. Ang init. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ating. Cut ko muna ulit to next.
very girls Mag-vlog ka na ha?
Hi guys! Sisimulan na po natin ngayon yung vlog. Welcome to my vlog!
Second day na talaga na.
Second day na po namin. Pero,
Sa simbahan pa rin.
nakailang beses na ako mag-vlog daw. Pero napuputol.
Pero tuloy-tuloy na to guys.
Ngayon, sisimulan na natin.
Bulag ka naman ah.
Ila! Ano mo?
Sorry po.
Ito din.
Pumunta ako dito kasi
We came here with a grateful heart and peaceful mind and everything mind over matter.
I hope every prayer
Thank you. With all their
Including me.
hearts.
will be very girls together. Mag-vlog ka na ha?
Hi guys! Sisimulan na po natin ngayon yung vlog. Welcome to my vlog!
Second day na talaga na.
Second day na po namin. Pero,
Sa simbahan pa rin.
nakailang beses na ako mag-vlog daw. Pero napuputol.
Pero tuloy-tuloy na to guys.
Ngayon, sisimulan na natin.
Bulag ka naman ah.
Love!
Sorry po.
Pumunta ako dito kasi
We came here with a grateful heart and peaceful mind and everything mind over matter.
I hope every prayer
Thank you. With all their
Including me.
hearts.
will be look, it's nice. Oh yeah. We were
Wait,
just
wait,
there
wait,
kanina.
Oh, look how big it is, right? But the church is small. Yeah, I'm just curious why. Just explain it to us. So our mind became clear. And your look at the hallway. The hallway is so edit out. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. Look how big the church is. It's so big. Don't say. Welcome to my vlog. It's a third time. It's the third. Okay. I'll try my best. You know what I mean? This is what I mean. I'm so hungry. What should we eat? Can we go back to the place? Oh, there's a nature spring over there. Let's go. Let's buy. I think it's expensive.
You have lots of water sa car.
Ay.
We're going to need water.
You said there's a lot of water.
But it's hot already.
Okay. How much is that? Oh, it's 50. Shop.
Oh, 20 only.
Oh, let's go. Can I let's try this sparkling
No,
water.
I don't want sparkling water. I want this
Ano yan? May sukli
one.
pa ba yan?
May
Of course.
1,000 to.
No. Ne, saan ka punta, Ne? Nasa simbahan po yan siya. Nasa simbahan po yan siya. Hello guys. So let's start our vlog. Dito kami sa Magellan's Cross na to guys. So ito yung ating Magellan's Cross. Look at my outfit guys. try to... Oh my god, I look like a fucking... Look at our outfit, bro. Let's... Ay, gago, mababagsak. Ako ngayon. Mag-vlog na lang. So, it's our last day here at Cebu. Yeah. Ano na yung outfit? So as you can see, this is what? Magellan's Cross. This is not what I expected here in the area. So did you guys know the last time I went here it was full of people. There's like a lot of souvenir shops right there. Then why it's gone? Souvenirs dati. I don't know. Maybe because they cleaned the place. I'm gonna take a photo first. Oh, there's a Mimi. Say hi, Mimi. Busy siya. Okay. Hindi ka pinapansin din, no? Dead maka, girl. Hindi. Dead maka. Okay na. Pwede po. Ay, wait lang. Bye, guys. Oh, yan.
Gusto mo sumikat? Di ba magbablog ka?
Ito, mga 100.
Hello.
Oh, pwede assorted. Meron dito yung keychain. Parang tanga. Ano ang?
Meow. Yan. Oo? Oo. Yeah, we see Mr. Green.
I-pause mo, tapos play mo ulit.
Yeah. Kung naka 1 times na.
Hanggang 1 times na. Hi guys, I'm here. So we are here at Magellan's Cross. As you can see here, there's a scaffolding over there and there and over there. And my outfit is from Rent. The skirt is also Rent, and this one also because shorts and tubes are not allowed. Ah, oh, why?
Sino ang anak mo?
Financer mo.
Why?
How about you?
Pero mga 100. Ito na lang. Babalik mo ah. Same serial number.
Say hi.
Serial number.
Hi.
Hi. Yung ganito ko na siya. Ano yung binili mo? Yan na yun? Isa lang?
Hindi. Akin lang to isa. Trip ko lang. Ano tayo dito?
Ah, okay. So now they are buying keychains and everything and everything and everything.
Ito kuya, Mike. Can you put this inside your bag?
I don't like.
I don't care.
My outfit is colorful. There's a green and there's a floral. The floral. And her outfit is her polo and then the swag skirt. There's a flower knit. Can you show it to them?
The what?
The flower.
What flower?
And your skirt. Where is it?
My skirt.
No, you have. What? Yes. Please. Oh, look.
Oh my god, they have flower.
Yeah. It's for. Yeah.
This is for.
Yes. What can you say?
Ito pamimigay ko, hindi ka na isa pa.
The turtle one. Ay, hindi. Oh, yes, ito. Ito, oh,
Yes, ito,
cute
turtle.
aesthetic. Yeah, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. All of it. Yeah. Compilation of hello guys. Hello vlog.
Hello guys, and one bite.
Hindi na natapos. Wala nang sense yung vlog.
Guys.
The random trick.
Hello guys, and one bite daw. Hello guys, and one bite.
Yeah, and many hello.
And straight.
Hello many.
Straight. Tara na,
Straight tomboy. So, maglalakad na kami. Ito, nakikita nyo ba? Naglalakad na kami. So, we're walking now. Okay. Oh, look, you heard it right? No.
That's my plan, guys.
Oh, look at the flower. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look. Oh, chas. Ala, gusto ko talagang, dapat mula day 1 ako nagaganto.
Oo nga.
Bakit naman kung kailang last day na? Try ko tong i-compile. Feeling ko 1 hour of nonsense video. Thank you po. Kiss me good morning. I said good morning. Oh, how sad. Walang sense tong video. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Ano ang tawa-tawa mo dyan? Ang sayain ng batang to, oh. Okay nga lang yun eh. Parang sadyang yun yung mga outfitan mo eh.
Payong ako.
I have shades nga pala. Kaso kasi parang ang disrespectful na mag-shades ako sa simbahan. Wow, disrespectful. So, malapit na tayo sa exit. Ito na, unti-unti na napasok yung shades. Ayun na.
Salamat lang, ma'am.
Ayan na.
No.
Hot! We're back. Oh, at. Again.
Meron na lang meeting.
Okay na?
O meron na lang. Natitral muna makapawal.
Okay pa. Nag-enjoy na rin naman po ako sa suot ko. Nagagampanan ko na ang pagiging... Ay no, ang daming mga rosary. Akala ko mag-ano. Feeling ko dito murang rosary.
Ayaw, bili na muna tayo. Okay, lulubog. Let's ask for it.
Ito, madami oh. So, wallet daw. Pala dito na ako bumili ng rosary.
Bili lang.
Bili tayo.
Pasok lang sa loob.
So, bibili kami ng rosary, guys.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
So, as you can see here,
May ganito pala po malaki.
that's not mantika, it's oil. Chocolate. Ayan.
Ito nga yung diniro. Ay, tagpila ni siya direte. 100.
Oh. Oily. Oh. That's not oily, that's mantika. Why is it oily? Sabi ni Kuya, bakit ang mantika? Sabi ko, it's not mantika, it's oily. Sabi mo naman, ba't ang oily? It's not oil, it's mantika.
Oh my god.
It's good.
Bibili ka saan ka rin yun? Kami yan, no? Bagay ito sa dengue.
Diyos ko, ayoko nang ganyan pagkagising sa umaga.
Hindi nang gising.
Kahit ano sila ba na pila yung ano niya 27,000.
Ang ganda bumili dito din, no? Yung pang-altar sa bahay, no?
Oo.
No?
Uy, kita pa XP. May rose.
Oo.
Kaso paano mo yun?
Yung altar. Magkano po yung ganun?
There's also a guitar here.
Tama.
Ang init. Suffocating. Bili tayo rosary?
Rosary na ako.
Hindi. Si Carl kasi blue. Kaso may iba pang... Ang cute ng kulay na ito. Oh, I heart you. Dati nung may scapular kami. Fun fact guys. This scapular, may ganyan kami dati. Nawala ko lang siya. What? Ano? Saan mo ilalagay? Saan mo nga ilalagay? Hindi, I mean, paano pa uwi?
Babox.
Mura kaya siya dito? Mura kaya siya dito? Mura kaya siya dito? Magkano ba dun? Dapat may reference ka. Price reference.
Imported ko si Blue.
Sales po talaga.
Batangas made yun sa ating local.
No, wala yan sa ganun. Same lang yun. Diba, guys? Am I right? Diba, I'm right? Should I buy?
Kawawa naman.
Sorry, oh. Or this one. Or the here. How much po ito?
25.
25 lang pala. So si Kay Kay. Ano kaya kay Kay? Ito siguro.
Nagpilay mo last supper. Ako? Andire ang kahoy.
Wait lang yun. Bilang ko sila kayo na ba?
Hindi na nilalagay yun. Dapat yung ganito lang para sa loob ng bag nila.
Sige.
Damoy
Gusto ko
naman
kausap
ang
nila.
nagagamot.
Sa te?
Init.
39 na.
Ay.
Vlog take over, guys. Paano mag front cam? Ay, mag back
Back cam. Kala mo naman eh, ma-edit at mag-vlog. Swipe. Ah!
Mamamatay ba si Raymart ang walang
Kaya nga, lagi mo nag-gay.
Bibili ka?
Kaya ganyan ganito. Baka yung altar. Support mo.
Daan ka man na siya, sir. Asala, parang cross. Daan na siya kay Fiber na.
Hi guys.
Tourists will go aboard the Russia flight C2782 to Manila. The commander of this flight is Captain Benji Flores, assisted by First Officer Matthew Kaliman. And I'm Nico, together with me are MK, Malls, and Chief. This flight will take 1 hour and 10 minutes. Put your seat upright, ensure seatbelt security fastened, store tradable, and open your window shade. Please switch all the cargo boxes to flight modes. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarettes are to be switched off and batteries removed. The charging and usage of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited. For safety reasons, the use and charging of power banks on board are strictly prohibited. Power banks must not be stored in the overhead compartment. They shall always be kept with you or stored in your bag, placed under the seat in front of you or the seat pocket at all times. Para po sa inyong kaligtasan, may pinagbabawal ang paggamit at pag-charge ng power banks.
Trip mo? Anong trip mo? Anong trip mo?
Malapit ka dito. Kumakita ka natin. Si Barrio Boy. Wow. Saan tayo punta tayo?
Saan nga tayo pupunta?
Ang kaso, steady kami ako. Steady.
Ma'am Shopee!
Ano to, Barrio Boy?
Uy, mali ko yan.
Iwanan natin yan.
Galing pa yung pininuro.
Nasa, naputok-putok na yung upo niya.
Full body ba? Layo ka pa.
Actually, seri photo other the weight